Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix your Bluetooth if it is not working properly. So what you're gonna do is just gonna scroll down like this. Just scroll down, then after here, as you can see, there's an option for Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is like this, if it's like this, it means it's off, it's disabled. So you must check if the Bluetooth is on or off. If you want to switch it on, just gonna click on it like once, tap on it once. Then now the Bluetooth is working now. It's on. As you can see, it's gonna show you automatically. It's gonna show itself, like it's gonna show you available devices that are next to you. If someone else next to you, their Bluetooth is on, it's simply gonna appear just here. So guys, that's how you check if your Bluetooth is working or not. First thing, you must just scroll down here, check if your Bluetooth is on or off. If it's off, then it won't be working. So that's how you fix it. Just simply turn it on, then it's gonna be working. Then if it's still giving you problems, what you can simply do is you can just restart your phone. Just restart your phone once or twice, then it's going to be working perfectly fine, guys. That's how easy it is to fix your Bluetooth if it is not working. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Don't forget, you just scroll down, just click on it, then if you want, then as you can see, the Bluetooth is on. I switched it on. You can just switch it off if you want, click here, or on. As you can see, turning on Bluetooth, and then you can also turn it off if you want to. Turn on Bluetooth to connect to nearby devices. That's if you're turning on your Bluetooth. Yes, that's how easy it is to fix your Bluetooth if it's not working. Thank you guys for watching this video again. See you on the next one.